Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today I'm really excited to share with you the 2021 GLOSSYBOX Advent Calendar. This is one that beauty fans wait for. It boasts over $550 worth of beauty products, and it is just beautiful. As you can see, it arrives cabinet style in this neat Advent type box setup. It retails for $99, which is a steal, honestly, for everything that you get in here. I'm not gonna show you spoilers. I am gonna open one box just so that you can get a feel for what is inside and just how high the quality is here. But I've also got some coupon codes to save you money. $10 off one box, 30 off two, and 50 off of three. So I will include those down below, but mostly want to just give you a peek at how beautiful these are. I always tell people that this would make a wonderful gift to give yourself. You deserve it, you work hard, and this is the type of gift that will just make you feel great every single day. During the holidays, a little gift to yourself, you deserve it. So also a great gift to give to teenagers. I've heard of people giving these as corporate gifts, office gifts. You could give them to siblings and let them select a box every day or whatnot. But anyway, just super neat, high quality Advent. Again, retails for $99. I've got a code to save you 10 off, and then I've got some bigger codes to save you off multi-purchases. So I don't want to do any spoilers, as I mentioned. I am going to, however, open one box just to give you a peek at how beautiful these are. I love that they're individually packaged, and I just love the way that they lay this all out. Okay, so I am going to open day one just to show you how beautiful these are. I love that they're individually packaged. It makes each day feel like you're truly opening a gift, which you are, and that's what makes these so neat. They just, every single thing about these is done so well. So here is day one, and this smells like a candle. I think it is a candle. Just smells amazing. I wish you could smell this. But another thing I want to mention is these are all really high quality items. So you're not going to have to worry about quality or something being cheap in here, because it's just not going to happen. These are all super high quality. As you can see, this smells amazing. I wish you could smell it. But I'm going to show you just what this little candle looks like. Scent to make you feel good. See, every single step of the process with GLOSSYBOX is just beautiful and smells amazing. So we'll see if we can get this out and show you what that looks like. Beautiful. And that's just one day. And again, I'm not going to open all these boxes because I don't want to spoil this for anyone, but I wanted to show you that. What I will do though is, if you are interested, I'm going to leave links down below as to where you can order these, but I'm also going to do a preview through the catalog, which will have spoilers, just to show you how much value you get here. Out of the 25 boxes, there are 16 full-size products, and that's where it adds up to a value of over $550. So for beauty fans, actually women, teenagers, I don't know who wouldn't love this, because they're just really, really neat products. So if you don't want spoilers, go ahead and turn your video off now. Otherwise, I'm going to walk you through the GLOSSYBOX Advent Calendar brochure to show you what all that you get when you gift this or give it to yourself. 25 different items, and as you can see, it tells the sizes and the values and exactly what product you're getting. And again, there are 16 full-size products in here. And these are really, really high-end products. You probably recognize a lot of the brands right now, and I don't know anyone that would not love to get these. Or you could actually separate these out into stocking stuffers. I actually use the GLOSSYBOX Hydrating Mist and love it. Just a really neat, I don't think I know a guy that could shop this well. Like, this is just, you can't go wrong with this. So, and that's the other reason I say to gift it to yourself, because it's just truly a wonderful selection of products, something for everyone, maybe something fun to share with a friend and divvy it up. But there you go. As you can see, 25 days of wonderful gifts. I'll include the links down below along with coupon codes. This is the GLOSSYBOX 2021 Advent Calendar, and this is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.